Hi, my name is Mark Kroll. I'm the product manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm here to tell you about the new Montana High Country 385 BR. BR means bonus room. One of the great things about this floor plan is the fantastic living area and kitchen. We're starting back here in the living area. We've got the dual theater seat with optimal viewing angle right at the TV. Back here we have the large rear sofa with a tri-fold hide-a-bed inside, so extra sleeping space here, sizable for 2 adults. Of course, we've got the TV, fireplace, and entertainment system with great storage up above here. We move into the kitchen. One of the great things about this floor plan is it's got a great kitchen in a bonus room floor plan. We've got the kitchen island with the huge kitchen sink, 4 drawers, great storage beneath the sink. We've got great storage above and beside the microwave. We've got great countertop space and storage next to the oven on both sides. The oven's centered in the kitchen slide out so we can use both sides of the oven. And of course, 2 great electrical outlets on both sides of the oven for extra kitchen devices. Moving over here, the 385 is equipped with the 18 cubic foot Samsung French door refrigerator. The same floor plan with an RV refrigerator is called the 384BR. The 384BR will have the gas electric 12 cubic foot 4-door refrigerator. The 385BR will have the 18 cubic foot electric only residential refrigerator. Moving over here, we've got a great pantry in this floor plan. You'll notice the light popped on. This has a motion sensor light inside the pantry. Great shelving in here so we can store all of our food goods right inside here. And we call this area the coffee station. The coffee station's fantastic because we've got great storage up here. We've got a little slot right here, which is a great spot for charging our electrical devices, our cell phones, an iPad, things like that. Down here, we've got some countertop space with another electrical outlet. This is a great space to set up your coffee maker, your blender, any other device you want here, or if you just have even more devices to charge. 2 great catch-all drawers and cabinets down below it, and you'll see the great accent lighting above and below the whole countertop. Last area I'd like to mention downstairs is, of course, the freestanding dinette with 4 chairs. The freestanding dinette 4 chairs is optional. We do also offer a booth dinette, so if you prefer even more sleeping space and even more storage than what's in here, we can build this floor plan with our booth dinette. We're going to move to the front of the coach and take a quick look at the bonus room itself. So inside the bonus room, we've got a tri-fold hide-a-bed sofa for extra sleeping space. Of course, we've got a great desk area and storage. And on top of all that, we use our great magnetic door holder so that when you want the door open, it'll hold its position open, and then of course latch close with its striker play here. Let's move upstairs. As we move past, of course, this fifth wheel also has a loft up here, so we've got a great ladder, great loft space for even more storage or sleeping space. Very, very great space for a couple kids to sleep up there. Private side aisle bathroom, pivot hinge bathroom door. Okay. Inside the bathroom, you'll notice that we have a seamless 4-foot by 2.5 foot seamless fiberglass shower, and then of course a great bathroom vanity with 3 drawers and a cabinet. So great storage in there, great countertop space, and just great room overall. And then we come into the bedroom. And inside the bedroom, of course, we've got the great closet right up front here. Great storage inside this door right here. This is also where a washer dryer would be installed if you elect to do that. So set up for a combo or a stackable washer dryer. Motion sensor lights in both closets here. Of course, king bed. We offer the 72-inch wide by 80-inch long king bed or the 60-inch wide by 80-inch long queen bed. Nightstands, bedside bedroom charger, and of course dual windows. And then the last thing I'll point out is our bedroom dresser, which has 2 drawers up top, and then of course 2 larger drawers down below, so 4 drawers total for excellent storage. Thanks for taking a look at the High Country 385BR. For more information, please visit KeystoneRV.com.